Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ingenuity Mars helicopter. Mission controllers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California have received the first status report from the Ingenuity Mars helicopter, which landed February 18, 2021, at Jezero crater attached to the belly of the agency's Mars 2020 Perseverance rover. 20 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Flying a helicopter on Mars is incredibly challenging for a bunch of reasons, including the very thin atmosphere, just 1% the density of Earth's, the power requirements, and the communications limitations. 17 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
No, helicopters can only fly in air. There is no air in space. If we consider that flight is the use of an airfoil to create lift, then it becomes less efficient the higher in altitude you are from the Earth's surface.
Make your mark, take our lead.
NASA astronauts splash down after historic SpaceX mission. CNN. The NASA Perseverance rover safely landed on Mars after its 292.5 million-mile journey from Earth, the agency confirmed at 3:55 p.m. Eastern Time Thursday. The rover landed itself flawlessly, according to the mission's team. 19 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.